Hello students, welcome to today's lecture video. In this lecture video, we are going to discuss about the concept neat and bold trading softwares. So, in India, there are many stock exchanges are available, but the premier stock exchanges are Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. So, today we are going to discuss about various softwares that are used by the different stock exchanges. Particularly in this class, we are going to discuss about what are the trading softwares that are being used by National Stock Exchange as well as Bombay Stock Exchange. So, to know about the agenda of today's topic is to know about the trading software used by BSE and NSE. So, these two exchanges are using trading softwares. Let us understand what are the different trading softwares that are used by these two stock exchanges, and also to understand the mechanism involved in trading software. What is the basic mechanism that is being involved in this trading software, and how the trades are being executed from one end to the another end, how the flow of information from one particular place to another place is being done in this trading software can be explained here. Final outcome of this particular lecture is to able to identify the trading software of BSE and NSE. So, these two are the major stock exchanges in India. We are going to understand what are the different trading softwares that are being introduced by these NSE and BSE. Able to use the trading software. Once you listen to this lecture, you will be able to use the trading software and understand what are the what is the particular framework for using this particular trading software. Now, let us get into the topic. So, trading software. So, before explaining the Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange trading softwares, now let us understand basically what is a trading software means. In the olden days, if you want to purchase a share, then these shares are in the physical form. So, after the arising of different complexities due to this physical form of shares, people understand the importance of a digitalized format of shares. Then the markets have introduced the electronic form of shares. So, these are in the form of dematerialization. So, that is why people have started opening the dematerialized accounts. Those are known as demat accounts. So, now after that people have started using the trading softwares and then executing the orders and try to purchase the shares and keep them in the demat accounts. So, demat account is nothing but a one particular kind of account where equity shares that are purchased through various stock exchanges are being placed. Just like a bank account, where you will withdraw the money and also invest money in this particular account, bank account. In the same way, in the demat account, you will you will put your shares and also withdraw shares from the demat account. Now, for doing the or purchasing the shares or selling the shares, you need to have one particular platform. So, this platform is provided by the stock exchanges like NSE and BSE. Various other stock exchanges are also available. What they do is they provide a one particular platform for the users for purchasing the shares. That platform is nothing but a trading software. So, in this class we are going to discuss about what are the trading software that is used by BSE and NSE as well. Now, there are different types of software that is used by the market participants. So, based on the information, based on the relevant data that is required for the users, they use different variety of trading softwares. But basically, there are different types of trading software data that is being used for the trading software. Those are first thing is important data. So, this important data means market every time when you see that the markets will go in the real time situation where markets trade in the real time markets. So, where the important data will be collected. So, important data means simply the share prices will be listed, the shares are listed in the stock market. Now, every time the shares are traded in the stock market. So, from minute to minute these share prices will change. So, this data will be recorded and understood as the important data for the further analysis. So, trading software, here what we learn here in the trading software, so where important data is very, this is what an important data that is required for traders for analysis first, and then based on this analysis they will take decisions for further investments. That is why this data is called an important data. So, a day trader needs to know about the prices of stocks and futures currencies wants to trade, and in case of stocks and futures the prices come from exchange where they traded. So, here basically the trader should know about what data is relevant for him, how to understand this data, and based on this they are supposed to take decisions. That is why this data is very important for the traders for further purposes. The next one is charting. So, another important parameter for using the trading software is charting. So, charting means simply these share prices are in the real market, the share prices will fluctuate. So, now these share share prices fluctuations are shown in the form of a chart. If you show the share prices in the form of a chart, then it is very convenient for the user to understand the either the stock, whether it is going to in the upside direction or it is coming down. So, it is very easy for the trader to understand while looking at the chart. In fact, there are many trading software that are introduced in the market. So, based on the trading charts that are produced by these software, traders are taking their decisions whether to purchase the share or to sell the shares. That is an important feature that is available with each and every trading software. So, based on these features embedded in their trading software, they are trying to prefer one particular software for trading. So, another important parameter is charting. So, how the trading software are charting the different share prices in the live trading. So, that is also another important parameter for taking decision based on the for the trading software uses. Next one is trade execution. So, another important parameter for the trading software selection is trade execution. The ease with which we can easily enter the trade is another one parameter, and also the speed of entering the trade and execution in the trading software is also another important parameter for trade software selection, because every trader would like to be first while entering the trade and also exit out of the trade. So, based on the the time that you enter into trading in the trading system, so it depends, it influences the trading result. That is the reason why trade execution is very important for the traders. And also, while trade execution, traders once they see the chart and in the chart also they can execute the trade. Some of the trading software where you can see the chart, on the chart itself we can locate where we want to enter in the trade and where we want to exit out of the trade. On the chart itself we can easily understand and we can easily exit from the trade or enter in the trade based on the charts themselves. Now, let us see the National Stock Exchange trading software. The National Stock Exchange trading software is named as National Exchange for Automated Trading. So, simply known as it is NEAT, National Exchange for Automated Trading. So, National Stock Exchange has introduced a powerful trading platform from its stock exchange, that is NEAT, to provide the efficiency for the traders. Efficiency in the sense the maximum amount of trades that can be executed in a very short period of time. That shows the efficiency of a trading software. So, if the if the users are increasing, then the trading software must support the volumes. If they enter the data, or if they enter into the if they enter their orders into the system must execute the orders within a very minimal time. That shows the efficiency of the trading software. And the second one is a liquidity. A liquidity in the sense the money flow into the system, and also the time they whatever the amount of shares that they require, and whether the system is capable of issuing the shares within the particular time frame. So, that shows the liquidity in case of the trading software is concerned. And another important parameter is the transparency. So, how transparent that the trading system is or trading software is, because recently we have seen in NSE or BSE where the trades that are executed in this trading software, they are introduced in the whenever they are entering their trades in the National Stock Exchange, they must execute in a very minimal errors. So, when the trades execute in a minimal errors, then the transparency increases and the trades never be doubled. That is why traders will be happy when there is no doubling in the system, and repetition of the orders won't be there, and that's the reason why the transparency is another important parameter. So, for providing these three, efficiency, liquidity and transparency, the NSE has introduced its trading platform, that is NEAT. And NEAT system supports the order driven market, wherein orders match the basis of time and price priority. So, whenever you enter the order into the system, where the order gets matched based on the certain parameters, those parameters are the time and price. So, whenever the order is entered into the system, then the system will allocate the will give a time stamp to the order first, and then look into the price parameter. So, whenever the time stamp and price parameter both are matched, then it will take up the best bid order and best sell order. Based on that, the trades will be executed. That is why the order driven market is the present scenario for matching the orders and executing the orders, that must be done in a very efficient manner, and that is the reason why the NEAT system is introduced by the National Stock Exchange. And also NSE offered NEAT Plus. A NEAT Plus is a trading software that is introduced by the National Stock Exchange. In addition to this NEAT software, the National Stock Exchange is also offering the National Stock Exchange is also offering the NEAT Plus. NEAT Plus in the sense where if you want to enter a national other than the National Stock Exchange traders, for example, you are using the NEAT, but if you want to enter the Bombay Stock Exchange orders, then in other trading software it is not possible, but in NEAT Plus it is possible. Even if you want to enter the NSE orders, you can enter here, and also BSE orders also can be entered here, and also even MCX orders can be entered. So, MCX is a national commodity exchange, and also Bombay Stock Exchange is another premier stock exchange in India. So, since with the in the NEAT Plus, you can enter the National Stock Exchange orders, BSE stock exchange orders, as well as the multi commodity stock exchange orders at the one place. That is why NEAT Plus is also another feature that is added for along with the NEAT software. And NSE conducts periodic testing and capacity enhancements as the number of NEAT users and trading loads every time. So, in India, National Stock Exchange has started its operations after the Bombay Stock Exchange, but due to its product efficiency, the National Stock Exchange popularity has increased in a significant manner. That is the reason why these traders who want to trade in the National Stock Exchange would like to increase their volumes. So, day by day from in 1991 to the present scenario, the National Stock Exchange has become #1 stock exchange in India in terms of trades that are being executed in the especially derivative segment. So, the popularity of the stock exchange is increasing, the traders are also increasing. So, now what is important here is the enhancements, capacity enhancements are very important. So, when there are the errors that are happened in the system increases, then this cannot be happened. That's why based on the client capacity, client requirements, the volumes increases and thereby the capacity also must be increased. Trading data on NEET is also released and almost instantaneously to the trading members on NEET. So, it is mandatory for any national stock exchange to give the data to the particular trader on a very instantaneous basis. So, if the traders enter the data, or execute the trade, if the traders enter the trade, then in the night itself the orders must be released and also the order information must be sent to the particular client. So, all the orders must be sent to the client within very limited time frame. So, where simultaneously you need to give the data to the users, for which you need a very efficient trading system that is provided by the NEET by National Stock Exchange. National Stock Exchange, probably the first stock exchange in the world to use the satellite communication technology for trading. So, to provide the best and efficient trading facilities for the traders, National Stock Exchange has been introduced with a NEET software using the satellite technology for the first time in India. Now, let us see the NEET software, how the NEET software is going to work in the real or in the realistic scenario. In the NEET software, it is developed based on the satellite technology. You know what is a satellite is? Based on the satellite technology, the NEET software is going to function. How the NEET software is going to function is can be explained with this particular diagram. In this diagram, you can see the two important parameters. One is National Stock Exchange's mainframe, the other one is broker premises. A broker premises are the terminals through which a trader can enter their orders. So, say for example, I am an order, I want to enter my buy order or I want to enter my sell order. So, here broker premises facilitates the traders, the entering of the or buying orders or selling orders can be entered using the brokers trading terminals. These are known as brokers premises. Not only that, if you have an internet facility and you have a laptop or a computer at your home, you also can enter your trading, your buying orders or selling orders using your own computer. So, those are known as the broker premises. So, now once the broker premises releases the orders, so you want to buy the share or you want to sell the shares with your system. Now, once you buy the share or sell the share, then it will be entered into the system and it will reaches to the satellite through the different antennas. So, once it reaches the satellite, then satellite again being connected with the hub antenna of the NSE and it will send the signals to the National Stock Exchange mainframe. So, now there are different traders who trade in the stock market, can be from any place. So, there are many brokers premises may occur. So, you are sitting in Andhra Pradesh and releasing your orders and some other sitting in some other place like Kerala, Karnataka, they are releasing their orders. Now, all these orders are reaches to the satellite through different antennas. Once it reaches to the satellite, then the orders come from satellite to the hub antenna. In the hub antenna, it sends the orders to the mainframe of concerned stock exchange. When the orders reaches to the concerned stock exchange, then the trade will happen. A trade in the sense, if you buy the shares, then buying will happen, sell the shares, selling will happen. Now, once the selling is happened, then what is required is the order confirmation is required. So, then the NSE time frame again will give you the order confirmation. You will get the confirmation through the satellite. the satellite releases the order confirmation to your premises. So, if you send the buy order, if you release the buy order, it will go to the satellite and satellite supply the information to the NIC's mainframe and trades will be executed. So, this is the way the orders gets released in the system and executed in the system based on the satellite technology, and particularly it is introduced by the National Stock Exchange in the form of NEAT. Dear students, this is what the National Stock Exchange's the NEAT system interface. So, user interface have the different inputs. If you want to trade in the stock exchange, where you need to enter these credentials, user ID must be supplied, and then trading member ID to be given. This data will be supplied to you by the stockbrokers, and trading software password and then new password that is set. Finally, if you give the credentials and confirm, then you will be entered into the trading software, and then you may be allowed to purchase the shares based on the amount that you have with you. Now, let us see the National Stock Exchange's trading platform. The Bombay Stock Exchange's trading platform. The Bombay Stock Exchange trading platform is known as the BSE Online Trading Platform Bolt. So, BSE's online trading platform Bolt is the software that is introduced by the Bombay Stock Exchange for the traders. And all scripts on BSE are being traded through Bolt. So, Bombay Stock Exchange, whatever the orders that you release, these orders being traded through Bombay Stock Exchange online trading platform Bolt. So, the trading software that is being introduced by the Bombay Stock Exchange mainly used by the traders for the BSE stock exchange. The brokers and their agents conduct trading under the Bolt system for the trading workstations. So, brokers and agents, brokers are none other than the stock brokers like Sharekhan, Reliance Money, okay, these are known as stock brokers, and their agents conduct the trading under the Bolt trading system for their trading workstations. So, as I explained you, trading workstations are the places where the actual orders are released. So, brokers premises just now we discussed. So, these are brokers workstations. So, the trade system used by the Bombay used by the users in the Bombay Stock Exchange Bolt is nothing but a trading workstation. It is known as trading workstation. So, in this trading workstation, you will enter your buy order or a sell order. It will reach to the Bombay Stock Exchange, and your trade will be executed. For every trading workstation, the Bombay Stock Exchange introduced software, that is BSE Online Trading system, displays the touch line which will share the best bid and offer prices presently available in the market. So, for every trader, when they enter their shares, then you will see the best bid order and best sell orders. So, bidding is nothing but a buying, selling you know very well about what it is selling, or this can also be called as a offer. Now, based on the bid price and sell price or a offer price, the trade will be matched and the share prices will be shares will be executed. And the Bolt system also displays every trader's workstation the market view. There is a mark in the trader's workstation, that is what we call it as a market view. So, it indicates the market view, whether the markets is going up or going down, it can be shown here, and which will provide the detailed market information on which the stock is in each the stock is traded in the market. So, the Bolt system also use the market view, and in this market view the market information will be shown, and based on that whether the market is moving in the upward direction or the downward direction can be easily understood. Dear students, now on the screen you can see the trading screen of the Bolt system. On the left hand side you see this is what a series. The stocks or share prices or when they are listing in the stock market they will be listed, and after that based on their performance the shares are categorized into various categories. So, these are known as series, that means category. A category will be given with a certain number like code, that is EQ. EQ is one of the category. In the same way you see this S and B1, always see the B1 EQ, so A. So, all these are the different category of shares. Under that category the symbol is nothing but a symbol that is given for a one particular share. Now, you see this here Escorts is a symbol of Escorts company, and also GTL and Tata Motors. I think you might know about the Tata Motors. So, Tata Motors the symbol is Tata Motors, and then buy quantity. So, how much you want to buy the shares, the buying quantity can be shown here 700, and then buying price, at what price you want to purchase these 700 shares, that is what shown here, and then selling price. So, as you are a buyer and you want to buy 700 shares at what price? 350 rupees price. In the same way there are sellers who wants to sell their shares at 352.45 rupees, 45 rupees, or how many quantity? 45. So, in this way the quantity of shares that are being traded, quantity of shares that the quantity of shares that are to be purchased and sold will be displayed here along with their price quotations. Now, once the orders are released in the system, then the system will match the best buy and best sell, as just now we discussed about it, based on the time and price parameters. Based on the time and price, the orders will be matched, and finally the order will be settled. Now, here look at here, there is 700 in quantity, and here 45 is the quantity of selling. So, finally based on the demand that is happened for this particular share, so now the actual executed price is 350 only. So, that is why last traded price tells us in the last time how much price that the share is traded. So, 350 is the price at which the shares are traded. So, in that way the buyers and sellers orders are matched, and the price will be given for the buyers and sellers at the end of the execution. And again we can see the close, open and high. So, these close, open and high are none other than the close of the previous close of a particular share. In the yesterday at what price the share is closed, in this case 350 is the rupees price at which the share was closed, and then it has opened today in the 364 rupees 95 paise, it has opened at that particular price, and then it has reached today at the same price, that is 364.95, and currently it is being trading in the market at 350 rupees. This way, this is what the trading system that you can see here by the trading by Bombay Stock Exchange's Bolt system. Now, let us watch a small video on the NEAT system, how the niche system works in the trading terminal. Now, let me conclude the topic. The trading software is a mechanism that is used to place the orders for purchasing shares online. So, finally, trading system, trading software states that if you want to buy the shares, you can buy the shares, or you want to sell the shares, you can sell the shares, for which the trading system is required. The Bombay Stock Exchange also has developed their own platform, that is Bolt, and National Stock Exchange has developed its own platform, that is NSE's online trading platform, NEAT. NSE has introduced its trading platform, that is NEAT, and Bombay Stock Exchange has introduced its platform, that is Bolt. Now, let us have a small quiz. DAS is the trading software offered by NSE. What is the trading software offered by the NSE? NEAT. What is the trading software offered by BSE? Bolt is the trading software offered by the NSE. The trading software is used to place the orders of shares online, whether it is true or not. Exactly, it is true. Orders match on the basis of time and price priority. What is this? Is known as order driven market. So, this is what a small quiz based on the particular topic, and this is what the disclaimer. Thank you for listening to the lecture.